Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all.
So yeah, welcome to the SLK. So right now I've been changing the battery, and I was about to change also before I attached the last piece of the positive pole on the battery. I was thinking about putting this relay in for the back, for the roof, because the roof previously wasn't shutting down. And I saw on one of the wheeler dealers they had a problem, and one of the problem was a relay. And luckily I had a few relays on the Jaguar that I know that works. So let's try and see if that will solve the roof problem.
Now we will go back home today, until the very last time.
Okay, so yeah, I got the new battery. I was thinking, let's try it out. See how the car is. At the moment I've tested the roof. The relay did not fix the problem, so it must be something else. But right now, let's just enjoy the car. And that's the same sound. I don't know if it picks up on the camera, but there's a sound that it's making. Usually it kind of disappears after a small while. Yeah, I'm just gonna let the car warm up a bit and yeah, enjoy it. Okay, yeah, then we'll do the poop. Okay. Sounds like the supercharger is getting used at least. Okay. For some strange reason I'm listening to Swedish radio. That's good. Still listening to Swedish? Still listening to Swedish? Metro. Come on, that's Norwegian. Gotta be. Okay. Let's take a hard launch just to see. Like, because I still have a few lights on after changing the battery, so I just have to clear the computer, I guess, just to be sure that everything is fine. That was bad. The braking wasn't good enough there. That's popular at the moment.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead when I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh.
sur terre, où tu n'en reviendras jamais. Montre-leur que t'es fragile.
Yeah, so the plan now that I have the new battery, what I really need to do is take it to a garage and have them to clear out every fault problems in the computer system. Once I've done that, well, I'll go on from there. But something I can do now is take out the battery, or not take it out, but take off the positive pole and let the car completely empty for battery to give it a possibility to set itself to 0 again. So yeah, let's do that. And fuck, you know, it's a blast. I just, this car, man. I mean, look what I've done. My grandpa will not be happy about this. So yeah, what I've just done, I've just filled up the braking fluids on my G-Wagon. So I want to pump it a little bit. I feel it already working very well. So yeah, I'm gonna try out the car and see how it goes. Okay, so let's take the car to a drive.
We had no way staying afloat. We had to leave on the ferry boat. Economic refugee on the road to Germany. We had the back in Maggie's hand. Times were tough in Geordie land. We got our tools and work and care and humped it all from Newcastle to here. Trade, German build and British made. Town dry, keep our spirit levels high. You're my pretty phone line. Tonight we'll drink the old town dry. Keep our spirit levels high. Sometimes I miss my river time, but you're my pretty phone line. Tonight we'll drink the old town dry. Keep our spirit levels high. together, they're a tight old crew. You look at them, and they look at you. I love the ballyhoo girl, but she don't care. It's hard to find love anywhere. Hard to find love anywhere. The professor is the talker, he's the talking man. But if he can't clean a midway, nobody can. He'll get the tip on in from the midway mud. Gotta have the sawdust in the blood. Gotta have the sawdust in the blood. See the big-faced man and the monkey girl. Come see the big fat lady. Gator slim with the alligator skin. Come see the devil, baby.
Well, that was fucking fun.